Megan with WTI, and how do you like your syrup? For me, the maplier, the better. And this Escuminac maple syrup trio has definitely satisfied all of my maple cravings. I used to think that maple syrup was just maple syrup. I didn't think that there could be much variation in it, but this trio has definitely changed my mind. I found that each of these are unique in their own special ways. I think the extra rare is more classic and familiar with that unmistakable clean maple flavor. It has gorgeous amber color and velvety texture that pairs amazingly well with all my favorite breakfast and brunch treats. The Great Harvest steps it up a little bit with more robust flavor. The maple taste that I love was more present, and it went amazingly in my homemade granola. It was almost like torture when the granola was baking in the oven for over an hour because that undeniable maple aroma was mouth-watering. It made a totally addictive maple caramel popcorn too. I'm telling you, this stuff was dangerous. I could not stop eating it. While I think all of the maple syrups in this trio are totally delicious, I think the one that stands out to me the most is the Late Harvest. For me, it is the most interesting and complex out of the three. It has this dark toffee flavor with kind of a little touch of molasses to it. I had no idea that maple syrup could have a flavor profile like this. I live in an area where seafood is really abundant, so I chose to use this maple syrup for some miso maple glazed locally caught cod. The dark richness of this syrup went so well with the mild flavor of the codfish. It also went so well and made an incredibly delicious maple balsamic vinaigrette. If you think you know what maple syrup is supposed to taste like, well, I suggest you take what you know and throw it out the window and give your taste buds a real treat and try this Escuminac maple syrup trio. But that's just my point of view.